Hi there, in this video, I will give you a quick guide on how you can create subdomain in Crazy Domains. So first, of course, listen carefully to each step that I will be explaining because I will describe everything clearly so that you can follow along. Before starting, make sure that you have the correct plan or version that supports this feature. So after logging into your Crazy Domains account, go to your My Domains. So make sure that you do have a domain already so that you will be able to actually do this. And so after you see your My Domains section here, you should just go ahead and click that. And then you will see click DNS, and then you will have to add your subdomain. And then you will enter subdomain name and select target IP or folder, and then you just go ahead and click save and wait for the propagation. Then you will test subdomain in browser and should resolve to this shared folder or site. So that's basically just it. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have a good day.